Hi, my name is Tammy and I'm an independent jeweller and crafter. In today's video I would like to show you how to make an adjustable knot on a cord that you may have for a necklace or bracelet, like the ones I sell with my pendants and my bracelets. As you can see, the cord can be either threaded through the bail like this, or you could loop it through the bail like this. Then once the knots have been done, you can slide the knots to make the necklace longer to put it over your head, and then shorter to adjust it to your necklace length that you desire. So I'm going to show you in this video how to do the adjustable knots. First of all, let's just clear this away a little bit. So first of all, you want to cut yourself a piece of cord that's approximately 36 inches long. I like to burn the ends off as well, just so that they don't fray. So to do this, you just light it until it starts to flame and then blow it out. And then neaten off the ends. Then to make the pendant, if you want to thread your pendant on first, you can thread it on, or you can do what I did with this one and just loop it on. However, I'm just going to leave it off for the time being. So first of all, you want to loop your string like so, and then take one end, fold it back on itself, create a loop here. In effect, you've got 3 pieces of cord there now. So holding this end of the loop with this part, take it around the back, around the front, around the back again, and you could loop it a few times if you want to, but I only go around that many times. Around the front, and then with the end, thread it through the loop, and then just slide it along. So you've only got a little bit, holding this end, you've only got a little bit left, and pull it tight. So now you want to turn it around so that you can do the other end. Again, you loop it, holding the loop, go around the back with this piece, around the front, around the back again, and then thread it through the loop. Slide it along. Bring it tight. Now you have your sliding knot. I'll show that to you once more. Do it with the pendant. You have your pendant on there already. Fold them over at the top. Take this end, loop it over, go around the back, the front, the back, the front, and then through the loop, holding the end, slide it all along a little bit. Just in there, then turn it around, fold it over, and back, and front, through the loop, slide it along, pull it tight. You have your adjustable knot. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up in the comments and leave me a little comment if you like. And if you want to see more of my videos, pop over to my channel and subscribe. Thank you for watching.